Generator talk, guys. So to start the generator, you hold it on stop for 5 seconds till the red light comes on. Then you press start, and then it should just fire right up. It's been running fine. It draws gas off the main gas tank, so you don't ever have to be worried about fueling it. So let's go around to the generator. I'm gonna turn it off by pressing the stop button. Come around here to the driver's side.
Go ahead.
So right here, guys, if the generator is not getting power to the unit, you probably did two things. You ran too many appliances off of it. You can only run one appliance at a time. So whether that's the air conditioner, the heater, or the anything plugged in, toaster oven, anything like that. So you can only have one major appliance running at a time while you are on the generator. If you're plugged in, doesn't matter. While you're on the generator, one appliance at a time. If you do more than that, it'll likely blow this breaker right here, and it should always be cab forward. It should always be pulled towards the outside. It's right here behind this hose on the side of the switch. There, it's off. I pull it forward towards the outside of the machine, and that resets the breaker. So if you ever lose power on the inside when you're on the generator, turn off an appliance, come back out here, pull it towards you.